Hello and welcome back to the layout. Today I'm going to show you how to add realistic sound to your layout for very cheap using one of these. This is a Bluetooth speaker that I got for free at a career fair, but you can find these all day long between $5 and $10 on Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, and so forth. Here's a simple shed I scratch built some years ago for the express purpose of concealing the speaker. As you can see, it fits in there very nicely. You don't need to scratch build a building to hide one of these speakers. You can hide it out of view, you could put it in a larger building, you could get a smaller speaker or a bigger speaker. Really, it is up to you. Here I'm just controlling for my iPad. Or use something like force sounds. You can really do anything you want with this method. Here I have a larger speaker inside a larger building. I like to think that I will have multiple speakers at multiple industries, but that's just an idea. Here I'm playing some industrial sounds. Anyway, I hope this video has inspired you to try out some different techniques on your railroad. As always, thanks for watching and keep tuned for more content.